Division III state runner-up Andy Vogel from Cuyahoga Valley Christian Academy. This fine senior was 41-7 last year, 12-1 so far this year.
His opponent, you're looking at Ryan Horner from Canton South. He's a senior. This year he is 5-0. Last year he was 26-4. The district qualifier.
Vogel, state runner-up last year.
For the 50-50, the 50-50 will be wrapped up after the completion.
Been pretty dominant, 3 falls, and then 1 close victory over Jason Edwards from Claymont.
$200. If you're interested, come out to the T-shirt.
Horner, on the other hand, has had a couple tough bouts, a 13-11 victory in the quarters, and then a 6-2 overtime bout against Russ Spicer from New Lexington in the semis, a bout where Spicer was very close to the winning takedown early in the overtime.
Both wrestlers just feeling each other out here, tying up real tight. You got to loosen up a little bit. Vogel looks to be the aggressor. First period's always hard in any wrestling match. Nice shot, nice counter with the whizzer. First period, you're always trying to figure out what's going to work, what's not going to work. Nice single dump there.
That worked.
That worked.
And he leads 2-0.
He's looking for a cradle on top here. Oh, almost has it locked now.
Right to his back.
There it is. It looks like he's got him.
25 seconds to go, and there it is. 136, Andy Vogel. Ryan Horner just kind of shook his head after that one. Whoa.
Didn't know what hit him.
Andy Vogel, the state runner-up from CVCA with a quick first period fall, our first tonight. And the championship. Congratulated by Skip Laughlin, the coach from Canton South.